Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about helping you achieve financial freedom and live a stress-free life. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: debt-free living. If you've been struggling with debt and want to break free from its grip, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share some practical tips and strategies to help you pay off your debts and live a financially stress-free life. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Assess your debt. The first thing you need to do is understand the full extent of your debt. Make a list of all your outstanding balances, including credit cards, loans, and any other obligations. This will give you a clear picture of where you stand financially. Once you have your list, take the time to review each debt carefully. Note the interest rates, minimum monthly payments, and due dates. This information is crucial for developing a debt repayment strategy. Additionally, consider obtaining your credit report from one of the major credit bureaus. It will provide a comprehensive overview of your credit history, including any outstanding debts that may have slipped your mind. Understanding your credit score and history is essential, as they play a significant role in your financial well-being. Remember, facing your debt head-on can be intimidating, but it's an essential step towards achieving financial freedom. By taking the time to assess your debt, you're empowering yourself with the knowledge needed to create a solid plan for paying it off. Step 2. Create a budget. Budgeting is a fundamental tool for managing your finances effectively. It allows you to allocate your income towards your needs, wants, and most importantly, debt repayment. Start by listing all your sources of income, whether it's your salary, freelance work, or any other form of income. Be sure to include any irregular sources of income as well. Next, carefully evaluate your essential expenses, such as housing, utilities, transportation, and groceries. These are the necessary costs that you can't eliminate. Subtracting these expenses from your income will give you an idea of how much you have left to allocate towards debt repayment and discretionary spending. Speaking of discretionary spending, it's important to take a closer look at your habits and identify areas where you can cut back. While it may require some sacrifices, reducing non-essential expenses can significantly speed up your debt repayment journey. Utilizing budgeting apps or software can simplify the process of tracking your expenses and ensuring that you stay within your allocated budget. These tools can provide you with insights into your spending patterns and help you make informed decisions about your finances. Remember, creating a budget is not about restricting yourself, but rather about gaining control over your money and aligning your spending with your financial goals. So take the time to set up a budget that works for you and start living within your means. Step 3. Cut back on expenses. This step requires you to assess your spending habits and identify areas where you can make adjustments. Start by evaluating your discretionary expenses, such as eating out, entertainment, and shopping. These are the expenses that aren't necessary for your survival but contribute to your lifestyle and enjoyment. Consider adopting a more conscious approach to your spending. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your financial goals and if there are more cost-effective alternatives. Look for ways to save money, such as using coupons, comparing prices, or buying in bulk. Making small changes to your daily routines may surprise you with how much money you can save. Redirect the money you save towards your debt repayment, and you'll see the progress you're making. Cutting back on expenses doesn't mean completely depriving yourself of enjoyment. Look for low-cost or free alternatives for entertainment and find joy in experiences that don't require spending money. Remember, every dollar you save brings you closer to a debt-free life. So, be intentional with your spending and prioritize your financial well-being over short-term gratification. Step 4. Increase your income. Sometimes, cutting back on expenses isn't enough to make significant progress in paying off your debts. That's when finding ways to increase your income becomes essential. Think about your skills and expertise. Are there opportunities to take on side gigs or freelance work in your field? The gig economy offers various platforms where you can offer your services and earn extra money. Additionally, consider talking to your employer about a raise or exploring options for career advancement. Increasing your income from your primary source can have a significant impact on your debt repayment journey. If you have a hobby or talent, explore monetizing it. Whether it's selling handmade crafts, offering tutoring services, or providing consulting in your area of expertise, these side ventures can generate additional income. Remember, every extra dollar you earn can be directly allocated towards paying off your debts faster. So explore your options, embrace your skills, and seize opportunities to increase your income. Step 5. Prioritize your debts. Not all debts are created equal, and it's important to strategize how you approach them. One common approach is to prioritize your debts based on interest rates and amounts owed. Some people prefer the debt snowball method, where you focus on paying off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the rest. Once the smallest debt is paid off, you roll that payment into the next smallest debt, creating a snowball effect. On the other hand, the debt avalanche method involves prioritizing debts with the highest interest rates. By tackling high-interest debts first, you reduce the overall amount you'll pay in interest over time. Choose the strategy that resonates with you and aligns with your financial goals. You may also consider a hybrid approach, combining elements of both methods. The key is to be consistent and committed to your chosen strategy. As you make progress in paying off your debts, celebrate each milestone. Whether it's paying off a credit card or a significant chunk of a loan, acknowledge your achievements. These celebrations will keep you motivated and reinforce your determination to reach your ultimate goal of debt-free living. Step 6. Celebrate milestones. Paying off debt can be a long and challenging journey, so it's essential to celebrate milestones along the way. Set smaller goals that are achievable within a reasonable time frame. For example, you can aim to pay off a specific debt within 6 months or save a certain amount of money in a year. When you achieve these milestones, take the time to celebrate. It doesn't have to be extravagant or costly. It can be as simple as treating yourself to a small indulgence or having a special meal with loved ones. By acknowledging your progress and rewarding yourself, you're reinforcing positive behaviors and creating a sense of accomplishment. This motivation will help you stay focused and determined to achieve your ultimate goal of living a financially stress-free life. And that brings us to the end of this video. Remember, living a debt-free life is within your reach. It requires commitment, discipline, and a solid plan. Take the first step today. Assess your debt, create a budget, cut back on expenses, increase your income, prioritize your debts, and celebrate your milestones along the way. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial freedom and living a financially stress-free life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay debt-free and live your best life.